my question to you is that while doing an MBA graduation or many MBA grads, they plan on starting their own venture for the long run purposes and all that. And for that, getting an investor is not very easy. Like it is a
Hmm.
very hard task, and it is also very time consuming at the same time. So, what
Hmm.
are your views on the survival of bootstrapped startups?
See, it's very, in fact, you asked me the right question. I have been advising uh, several thousands of people about this funding internationally, and I have identified one problem common with everyone. Uh, they approach the investors who write themselves as investors. Do you think, an investor who has invested in a lot of companies will be mentioning his title or her title as investor? I don't think so. Right? Only a person who want to show off or has the craze initially will be writing that. So lot of people, they end up approaching the titles angel investor, which is not the right approach. One, even if you find such kind of investors, then these investors are having lot of people approaching them. Then also your opportunity is lost, right? So rule number one, don't approach any person who writes himself or herself in the title as investor. Approach somebody who might be understanding your business, your model, and your story. Story, what is that? If a business is without a story, if there is no reason, everything in this universe happens for some reason, right? If you just start something, and this has happened with me a lot of time. One person came to me. I had a half an hour conversation, and I said, "Bhai, ये idea नहीं चलेगा. This is not gonna work. I don't think so. I can invest or anybody else can invest." And he said, "Okay, sir. I will come back 1 week later with a new idea." What do you think? This means he does not have any attachment, right? While I was starting startup lanes, I invited a lot of people as to join me as a potential co-founder, or almost 16 of them, and they asked me, Shishir, what is plan B? If nahi chala to kya hoga? I said, I don't have a plan B. नहीं चला तो फिर दोबारा करेंगे, और फिर नहीं चला तो फिर दोबारा करेंगे, right? बोले no, if that becomes monotonous for us, we are coming from diverse backgrounds, if we get bored, what should we do? I said, बोर हो जाओगे तो एक बार और कर लेना, right? Because I don't have any plan B. This is the only thing I want to do and I will do, right? So that is your passion, that is your story. If you do not have a story, if you don't have passion, if it is just for the sake of a business or sake of an entrepreneurship, सब कर रहे हैं तो मुझे भी करना है, then it's not gonna work. And investors understand that, right? The name itself says angel investor. Why? In investment, the first round of funding happens through 3F, and this F is friends, family, and fools. Why the third F is fool? No, they are not actually fools, but they are considered as fool because they know that the chances of your failure are very high. Still, they invest with you. Why? Because they believe on your passion, they believe upon your story. If you don't have a story, you don't get a funding. Why? Very simple. आपको कोई भिखारी भी अगर आपके पास आता है, and don't consider we are all are uh, not भिखारी or something, but I am just taking one example. Even if a beggar comes to you and asks for 1 rupee, if beggar gives you a story, right, why he or she is asking for 1 rupee, then you might end up giving 5 rupees, है ना? कि मैं आया था, I came from Maharashtra, that station, somebody took away with my pocket money and my wallet is gone, this happened, that happened, and you might feel attached, right? So I'm not asking you to create a fake story, understand, but you should have a story, because nothing in this universe happens without a reason. So if you are doing it, anybody working on a project to cure cancer because somebody in his family suffered from cancer, that shows how passionate that person will be, right? What is that shows why you are doing it, and if you are doing it, you will find 1000 people believing upon you. You will find 2000 or 5000 more who will not trust you, who will not believe upon you, but still you will find lot many people who believe upon you, who have money in their pocket. Or there might be people who don't have money in pocket, but they have a similar story. They feel attached, they will find out investors, or they will find out ways to help you out. And that is how this works. If you just think that it is a database on which I will send emails and I get funding, then you are having a wrong approach. Nobody has done it. Yes, IIM and IIT people, they have their alumni network, but without a story, nobody will believe you. In the network, you can find out people who are ready to believe you, who want to hear your story, and that's what you have to do. That is the right way, right? So it's not difficult to raise funding. Again, I'm telling you, it's very, very easy to raise funding. Uh, you need to bootstrap, because if you don't put in your own money and you just ask externally for funds, nobody will again believe you, because आपने अपना पैसा लगाया नहीं, you just don't want to take risk. And if you say that my parents do not trust me, wrong. If you say my parents don't trust me, that is why you are looking for investment, wrong. Because it is your parents are the first entity who should invest with you. Let it be $500, let it be 5000, but that money, first money investment, should come from your parents and from your family, from your friends. If your friends do not trust you, then also there is some problem. Either you are not the right person or your track record is not good, right? So investors might ask you how much money your friends have put, and this is the point to be noted. If you manage to get funding from your friends and family, then you will definitely get funding from angel investors. And if you get funding from angel investors, you definitely get funding from VCs. And if you get funding from VCs, then you get funding from PE. If you get funding from PE, then you are definitely hitting the IPO, right? IPO, after IPO, you don't need anything.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.